Hello dancer, welcome to bachaTUyYO, your favorite bachata school online. Today's lesson is about hip circles or culitos. Let's go. Alright dancers, first of all, culitos are circles that we make with our hips that are parallel to the floor. There's no up and down, there's only forward, to the side, back, and through forward we come back to finish our circle. Now, what we need to remember is our preparation even before the movement begins. So I have to make sure that my hips are either to the right or to the left to signal my body or my partner that a hip movement is coming next. Number two, we do not want to skip the forward motion because this contributes to having a full circle. First, understand that our neutral posture is this ground zero, where our hips are neither forward nor tilted backwards, okay? So from this neutral position, we want to make sure that we bring our hips forward in order to start a circle. We usually do this either on the right side or on the left side. So as I prepare myself, I will bring my hips forward and then I will go all the way to the other side, and then I release by relaxing my legs and relaxing my abs into the circle, bringing it again slightly forward as a consequence and finishing on the other side. Again, we want to make sure that we are preparing on one side, bringing our hips forward and relaxing again from all the way to the side and finishing. Now I want you to practice your hip circles in both directions because bachata sensual is very symmetrical, and it's a good practice for your body coordination to try every movement to either your left side or your right side. The most common mistake people make is pushing their hips forward or backwards. We call this thrusting, and it's not very comfortable for your partner and might sometimes hurt your lower back if you're not engaging your abs. So if you think about it, when I have to bring my hips forward, instead of pushing them forward, I pull them with my abs by crunching, but not just crunching my abs for the sake of crunching, but for the sake of pulling my hips forward. So this gives that forward push without over-exaggerating it. Make sense? Another important thing to avoid is breaking your back and pulling your hips backwards. We do not want our posture to fall forward. So in order for your hip circles or culitos to look full and complete, no matter if you're doing a big circle or a small circle, take a breath, crunch, and exhale. Bring it over. Those are your quick tips for culitos. Hopefully I'll see you in another video or on the dance floor.
Hey dancers! I am currently developing structured mini courses for serious bachata learners who want a complete curriculum. If you're interested in comprehensive step-by-step bachata training, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll keep you updated when the courses are ready. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to master today's lesson, go ahead and check out this video where you can drill your hip movements as your daily practice. Otherwise, head towards this playlist and watch other breakdowns for each hip movement and body mechanics in bachata. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye!